Have you ever heard of the bloop? It's a sound the ocean made, and it's really strange. Back in 1997, some smart people heard a super deep sound in the Pacific Ocean. They called it the bloop. It was super loud, way louder than any animal we know. But here's the weird part. Nobody knows what made the sound. Some thought it was a huge sea monster, bigger than anything we've ever seen. Others thought it was something weird in nature, like an underwater volcano. The ocean is really big, and we haven't explored much of it. What else could be hiding down there? We still don't know what the bloop was. It makes the ocean even more mysterious. Like and subscribe.